RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. At IKEA, you can often get products at very low prices. So today I'm going to show you how to decorate your room with good value IKEA products. First, let's introduce minimalist style home products. Simple and stylish trash can with large capacity. You can get it at a low price. Toilet brush with a holder. Stores easily in the bathroom corner. You can also get it at a very low price. This super cheap mug is a must-have in homes and offices. Besides practicality, it can also be a stylish decoration. This silent clock is both decorative and practical. No disturbing ticking sounds so it won't cause sleep problems. The space seems less monotonous after hanging it on the wall. Then let's introduce this mirror. It can create any shape or size you want. It's easy and fast to put up on the wall. Doesn't take up space and also visually enlarge the room. Next, I recommend this single color square pillowcase. The color varies from light to bright. You can choose different pillowcases and pillows to match. They add colors to your room and make it cozier. This pendant lamp is good value for money. It makes the whole space stylish with a low budget. There are also decorative lightings. You can put up different decorations according to different festive atmospheres. This is the most cost-effective photo frame I recommend. This frame comes in various colors and sizes. You can match it with posters in different styles and sizes to decorate your wall. Posters will change season to season, so you'll get more choices to change the look of your room. Photos are also recommended. They're more stylish, though the cost might be higher. Artificial plants. Enjoy the beauty of nature without requiring a green thumb. A low-budget decoration for public spaces or rooms. Next, let's introduce practical furniture and storage shelves. This side table is easy to assemble and the price is very low. There are different color options. It can be placed beside a sofa or a bed. This side table is one of IKEA's best-selling items. Strongly recommended. This Billy shelf with brackets is the most cost-effective match I recommend. Landlords are also recommended to install shelves on the wall to increase storage. Tips. It's best to purchase items with both style and practicality. Like mirrors, shelves, or clocks. They're decorative and practical. Landlords can use these good value items for nice rental listing photos to attract renters and increase occupancy rate. Renters can also decorate their own room with a low budget. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.